See your card. Who did that for you?
Sam?
Sam made that for you? What's
Yeah.
on it? What are the pictures?
Yeah, we don't call it.
Yeah, what are the pictures on the back? Who's the pictures?
Spider-Man unicorn.
Yeah. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see your coat. Wow. Who's on your coat? Who is that?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man? Do you like Spider-Man?
Yeah.
Turn around, let's see the front. You like that coat?
Yeah.
Are you happy for your happy birthday?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want some cake now?
Yeah.
What color is your cake? Carly. Hello. What color is your cake?
Pink cake?
Pink cake?
Yeah.
Okay.